Good morning. Take your English second test book. Lesson 1. Santa and my tweet. This poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. It is about a message sent by a boy to Santa Claus. I shall read the poem. You listen carefully. Dear Santa, did you get my tweet of presents I would think are sweet? And what about my Facebook post of toys and stuff I want the most? Dear Santa, did you read my blog? That's where I keep a running low. That's where I keep a running low. Of all the times that I have been good and doing things I know I should. I hope you saw my Instagram. My email wasn't flat as palm. You have seen my YouTube channel too, and all my takes have made it through. Wait, does the North Pole even get computers and the internet? I hope it does. I mean it better. Or I might have to write a letter. First stanza. Dear Santa, did you get my tweet of presents I would think are sweet? And what about my Facebook post of toys and stuff I want the most? In the first stanza, the boy asks Santa that whether he got his tweet, which he thinks very sweet. He again asks the Santa that whether he got his Facebook post about his toys and other things. Second stanza. Dear Santa, did you read my blog? That's where I keep a running low. Of all the times that I have been good and doing things I know I should. In the second stanza, the boy asks the Santa that whether he read his blog. The boy keeps his blog updated always. So he asks the Santa that whether he reads it. Third stanza. I hope you saw my Instagram. My email wasn't flat as palm. You have seen my YouTube channel too, and all my texts have made it through. The third stanza is about hopes of the boy. He hopes that the Santa has seen his Instagram. He believes that Santa has seen his emails and not kept it as spam. He hopes that the Santa has seen his YouTube channel also. Fourth stanza. Wait, does the North Pole even get computers and the internet? I hope it does. I mean it better. Or I might have to write a letter. The boy is thus trying to communicate with the Santa Claus through different digital platforms. Suddenly a doubt came in his mind that whether the North Pole has computer and internet facilities where the Santa lives. If it is not there, then he thinks to write a letter to the Santa Claus. Okay? That's all about the poem. Then exercise number 8. Tick the correct option. Take the correct option. Do the following exercise in your textbook. First question. The poet sent his tweet to his friend Shaktiman Sana. The poet sent his tweet to Sana. Sana. Second, the poet is talking about like post, volley post, Facebook post. The poet is talking about Facebook post. Facebook post. Three, the poet asks whether the internet is available in the USA, at the North Pole, under the ocean. The poet asks whether the internet is available at the North Pole. At the North Pole. Answer the following questions. I shall send PDF to answer the following questions. Read the following pair of words. Rose, flower, mango, fruit. Rose is a flower while mango is a fruit. This kind of similarity or relationship between two words is called analogy. Exercise number C. Complete the following analogies with related words. Exercise C. Peacock, bird, tiger, animal. Sun, day, moon, night. Apple, red, banana, yellow. Milk, white, cold, black. Then the sentence. We have already learned about sentence in English first. A group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. A group of words makes complete. A group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop. Look at the following groups of words. This is Santa. This does not make any sense. This is the sun. This makes complete sense. Exercise number D. Rearrange the following words in a proper order to make meaningful sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Question number 1. And she umbrella has. And she umbrella has. She has an umbrella. the skipping girls. The girls are skipping. The girls are skipping. Three are going to be next Sunday Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai next Sunday. We are going to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai next Sunday. Four, singing boy, the boy is singing. The boy is singing. Okay. Exercise number 8. Describe each picture. Describe each picture given below in one sentence. Take help from the clue box. Girl, boy, talking, playing, the game, mobile, friend, computer, is. The boy is playing computer game. The boy is playing computer game. Two, the girl is talking to her friend on mobile. The girl is talking to her friend on mobile. Okay. Lesson 1 is over. You by heart first 8 lines